Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Separate is reporting $1.2 billion in profit over the first half of this year and said that even though the pandemic has had a negative impact on its business, its diversified portfolio helped it to surmount the challenges. The realized profit was 41% higher than last year. However, the company said the unprecedented speed and magnitude of the downturn has left the country with much to do to get back on a growth path, and offers the opportunity to restructure and diversify the economic base. The Bank of Jamaica today sold another $30 million on the foreign exchange market to help smooth the recent hiccups. However, judging by the value of the bid, the demand was almost 50% higher. This is the third Friday this month the central bank has stepped into the market, selling a total of $70 million. Now, despite the intervention, currency trading ended today with the US dollar at its highest level ever in Jamaica, costing an average of $147.99. The Canadian dollar is selling for $110.72. Sterling is going for an even $188, while the euro sells for $171.17. Investors continued their selling spree on the JSE today, pushing the main index down more than 658 points, while the junior market lost 26 points. Both indices are down by just about a quarter since the start of the year. As for trading today, the top performers were Cargo Handlers, Portland JSX, JPS 7% Preference Shares, Sterling Investments, and SSL Venture. Among the losers were Palace Amusement, Derrimont Trading, Access Financial, Siboney Group, and T-Tech. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.